Hello and welcome to this video where I play the Unwanted Experiment. And let's start a new game. Rumors have arisen among some hidden town villagers. A newly arrived scientist is raising suspicions with his strange behavior. Some villagers say they have seen strange silhouettes near his laboratory. 2 months ago, a scientist arrived in Hidden Town. Rumors are heard about his strange behavior. Always so strange, avoiding being seen, always keeping his distance from villagers. He has installed his laboratory in the basement of the furthest house in town. They claim to have seen strange silhouettes near his laboratory. Eric Dorian, a villager, wants to know if those rumors are true. On the sly, he has found the entrance to his laboratory. But he has not been very careful. The scientist has discovered him. Wake him up. Okay. Make sure he gets untied. I did it. Let's find the way out of here. Right? There's the flower. These are locked. And here we have a key. Down here we need a valve. Is that the word? I don't know. We need the dart. We know that there is going to be symbols over there. Paintbrush. Let's see. Behind the picture of the boy. So down, 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 up. And if we use a flashlight, we're gonna see whatever we need to see. These are locked. This one is also locked. Yeah, there's a strange substance blocking the door. Yes. Here we go. There are planetal pictures, I think. And if I'm not completely forgotten, it's gonna be... I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. Let's see here. We need a fuse. There is no electricity. Because down here... let's see. We need corresponding colors. Here we have the symbols of which we are going to need. Oops, that's one one's opened, and we'll go back here to the red book in the bookshelf, and we grab and put that one in. And here we can see that the lines are becoming more, or the amount is more. So here's one line, here is 1, 2, 3 lines, here are now 2 lines, and here are 4 lines. So it is, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go back to the pictures over here. So over here was 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll go this way. There we go. We got a key, and we have the electricity. The fuses are in, and here, as we remember, there was a picture. There were a couple of squares behind the picture in the red book. We can go back just to be sure, but I think it was down, 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 up. In this case, it's different in all the cases. So here we have the picture. So down, 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 up. So we'll go back. So down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 5, 3, 6. 5, 3, 6. Oops. 5, 3, 6, 1. In this case, because it's different in all of them. 5, 3, 6, 1. That's for this one, 1. So we need 5, 3, 6. Here we have a mutant. Help! Please help! I'm churning. Quick! Find the antidote. Who are you? What happened to you? My name is Alex Lauren. I was working with Dr. Freyer, but he has changed. I did not agree with his experiments on genetic mutation. We argued. I was going to report him, but he injected me with a mutant virus and locked me in here. I need the antidote to regain my human form. My fingerprints can open the door to escape. Where do I find the antidote? I remember a password that can help you. Oh no, he can't. Let's see what he says. See, he can't seem to speak anymore. Alrighty. Square. S. Triangle. Circle. Square, S, triangle, circle. Let's go back to C. And that's also different every time. Square, S, triangle, and circle. Right, we have 2 keys now. Let's see. We are gonna try. First off, we will go and find the flower, and we will cut the flower out. So now we have that one. I wonder. Yeah, okay. I was thinking about this one, but that is a thing we're gonna fix very soon. We can open with the yellow key. We have some thread and a beaker and one hanging eye. Creepy. We have a chewing gum that we can chew, so now we have a chewed chewing gum. We can combine the chewing gum. I'm gonna take something else so you can see a spool of thread. So now I click on the chewing gum. So now there is a piece of chewed gum on a string, which is helpful. And we have a blue key as well. Yes. Do we need... Can we use that there? Yes, we can. We can turn the lights on. Very good. And we will look into the window again. And here we can see a pattern. And you can imagine that there's like a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 9, which is the same pattern as the box with the crosses over them. And so the middle right, the middle bottom, and to the left of the middle and middle and middle on top. So this, 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 and this. Whee! And we can also see in here that there's a bird, and how great that we have some bread to give the bird. And there goes a feather, and we're gonna use the chewed up string to catch the feather. And now we're gonna go fill the beakers. So we have a yellow feather to yellow, we have a red apple to red, and we have blue flower to blue. And there we go, and we can look at the antidote, which is yellow, blue, yellow, red, blue. And we fill it with that yellow, blue, yellow, red, blue. And it's gonna mix, and we're gonna take the dart, and I dipped it, so now it's a dart with antidote. And let's dart this guy. There we go. Thank you, the antidote. Now let's work together to escape. Let's see what... I don't know what it said. There we go. Okay. Let's see what I can find here. Yes. We take the dart back. This is all. We're gonna use that very soon. But otherwise, as you know, we have a CD. And we're gonna put the CD in there. And we are going to open the doors and turn the robot around, pick out the batteries, and we're gonna turn the radio-ish and go back and play. Yeah, we're gonna see which ones we're gonna play. That we do through flashing the lights over here, but in order to be able to see anything, I can show you. Right now it doesn't look like anything, but if we change the person and turn the lights off and go back inside and now use the flashlight, we can see a melody, and we can have 5, we can have 7, 9 and 2. 5, 7, 9, 2. So in that order we play the, we can actually turn the lights on and go back. 5, the bell, bell, 7, 9, 2. Bell, laughter, guitar, bell, laughter, guitar, and frog. Bell, laughter, guitar, frog. Bell, laughter, guitar, frog. So bell, laughter, guitar, oops, and frog. So now that one is open, and that is paint thinner. That means we're gonna jump back into the room, and we are going to dip the brush in paint thinner, and we're gonna paint away, or thin away. Thin the paint away. So right, right, up, up, down, left. Right, 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 up, up, down, left. Right, right, up, down, left. So we go out again. Right, right, up, down, left. Okay. And we're just gonna do this very, oops, very nice puzzle, which isn't really a puzzle. Now we have a bird, so we go back to the bird cage and put the bird in the bird cage. There we go. And a yellow microscope slide. So that means we change person and go out to the microscope. We have the microscope slide, and we are pressing up here to look at it. And we are sliding, and I don't need to slide it perfectly now because I can still see this. Later on it wants to have more specificity, but I say right, right, left, 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 right, and I'm trying to remember that it's up, 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 down, up, up. So it's just one of the lefts are a down one. So right, right, left, 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 right. So, and I know it's over here. Right, right, left, 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 right. Okay. And here you can see how the puzzle is supposed to look. So this one wants to be back there, and that one wants to go straight back as well. So I might actually do it this way. No, that was a mistake. But it's fine. It's not that important. Ooh. The important part is to actually do the thing with the thing. Yeah, you can skip it if you want to, but I don't want to skip it. There's no need to skip anything. There we go. The head is not where it's supposed to be. And we're gonna fix that. There. That one wants to be there. Oh no. Right. Sometimes it's really easy and sometimes it is a little bit tricky, but usually isn't this tricky though. We want that one over there. But we want it to be... No. Not that one. Not in that order, please. What? How did you get up there? I do not know. It's probably the same problem still. Almost. Now I'm just messing it up on purpose. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. And you need a fish in a fishbowl. And that is a pipe valve. Oh yeah. The pipe needs to get turned on down there. So not only does that show a code, it also makes the pipes actually work in the sink and so that's good. But we are gonna need to go back into the other room, so we change person and oops, we're gonna look at what's down here. So it's 4173 no, my bad, 4173. 4 1 7 3. Scalpel and a key. And we're actually gonna move that one. And we're gonna move to here. Because believe it or not, but we're gonna use the money thingy to remove the lid. Okay. Now we have used the flashlight. We don't need that no more. We have used the antidote. We have used the paint thinner. We're gonna go look for where we need to use the red key. And I think we can stop here because we're gonna need the sugar cubes soon. The red should be there. Here we go. Here is how we make the purple mixture for the mixture thingy thing. And it's a beaker. Red, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Red, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Red, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Right. And we put the mixture, purple solution. The strange substance has disappeared. And we find a jar and we find a key card. Magnetic card, it says. Apparently. So we go here with the magnetic card. And we find tweezers. Very good. Now we go up there. Because we cannot open that, but we can catch a fly. And now we're gonna go here and we're gonna take the tweezers and pick a tiny sugar cube. And we're gonna put the sugar cube in the net. And we're gonna open the jar by the sugar cube. And we're gonna pick the thing with the tweezer. And it's a red microscope slide. So we go back to the microscope. There's the microscope. We put the red one there and we try to zoom to where it could be proper. Good. And we use the tweezers and we put back the yellow slide, and now we slide a little bit and we're ready with the tweezers with a tiny key. I can't see it well enough, and now I can. And now I'll use the tweezers again, pick the little bean. Yeah, it's a pair of tweezers with a tiny seed. And we put it where moisture is due, since that's the logic we're following right now. Take the red key. Right, and I think that means yes. Very good. Thanks for helping me. Now let's get out of here. I think that's what they say. Let's get out of here. Let's skedaddle, and I'll change the person. Oops, and also, okay, we're gonna fail first, so you can see what that looks like. So we're gonna do the handprint. It opened. Well, time to go. At last, the exit. The birds. Oh no. Now that you know my secret. Oh no. Scary. Oh no. Scary. You were about to escape. Try again. And so this time we're gonna put the dart in the antidote and be ready for that. So we escape. Now that you know my secret, I can't let you go. Oh no! Right? We have the dart and we prick him with the antidote dart. So we were able to stop the scientist and his experiments. Now the town is safe from his madness. And the scientists will remain guarded and locked up. Hopefully, he stays there forever. Right, Dark Dome. So that was that video. And I don't think there is any bonus material right here. I'm just gonna watch for safety so we don't disappoint. Nah, it is, it's this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!